$18 for a burger and fries? Just the burger? Since when does lunch cost as much as a streaming subscription? I'm literally bleeding cash just by breathing the air in this city.
Greg, I need these scanned, filed, and color-coded by yesterday, and don't even think about overtime. The company culture is all about sacrifice this quarter.
Sacrifice, right. I'm sacrificing my youth so this guy can buy a third jet ski. I'm done playing by the rules. It's time to play the market.
You're still working a 9 to 5? Cringe. I just made 5 figures while I was brushing my teeth. Use 100 times leverage on this new AI crypto biotech stock. It's a literal money printer.
Money printer, huh? I've got $1,000 in my emergency fund, but if I use leverage, that's 100,000. That's not a fund, that's a fortune. Okay, 50 times leverage. All in on Moonshot Tech.
Wait, is that $5,000? $8,000? It's moving so fast I can't even read the numbers. I'm the chosen one. Greg is going global.
Sir, that's $600 for the silk blend.
$600? Keep the change. Buy yourself a personality. I make that in a heartbeat on a red day. Okay, just one more push to the upside and I'm buying the house. Breaking. Major tech CEO caught in scandal. Market tanking. Wait, no, stop. That's a glitch. Refresh the app. Refresh it. It's going down faster than it went up. I'm at $2,000, $500.
Well, if it isn't the Wolf of Wall Street. I thought you were retiring to the Bahamas.
The Bahamas were a bit too humid for me, sir. I realized my true passion is data entry.
Glad to hear it. Since you quit yesterday, I hired a college kid for half your pay. But I do need someone to clean out the grease trap in the cafeteria. $10 an hour. Start now.